Good afternoon. It's Thursday afternoon, and as you can see, I'm in the kitchen and I've got my light on because I am doing some filming while I am baking. So today I am making savoury oat cookies with caraway seeds and rosemary. Fresh rosemary from the garden, from the herb window box just outside this window. And I got the recipe on a website called gorgeousrecipes.com, so I'll put a link in below. They look pretty easy to make, so I'm going to get on with it and show you how I'm doing it. So the ingredients are really simple. It's oats, flour, butter, which I'm going to melt, caraway seeds, fresh rosemary chopped, baking powder and salt, and some hot water. I'm going to start by combining all the dry ingredients. Give them a stir. Add the melted butter. Give that a stir. Then gradually add the water bit by bit. Then I'm going to go in with my hand. Now I'm going to roll it out. It's quite a stiff dough. It feels sticky at first, but then it sort of dries up. So I've got my cookie cutter as well. So let's roll it out. Then I'm popping them onto greaseproof paper on a baking sheet. So that's made a total of 18, which is really good. Okay, time to put them in. 180 fan for about 20 to 25 minutes. Well, let's have a look and see how they've turned out. Ooh, they look good. So there we are. Rosemary and caraway oat biscuits, savoury oat biscuits. So the most important part is to try them, see what they're like. Ooh, just dropped it almost. They've got a creaminess to them. Obviously very oaty. There's no strength of flavour in the rosemary, so it's not overpowering. It's very subtle. They're crumbly, but they're holding together. They're not falling apart. They're very much like a biscuit. They'll be lovely with cheese. I think that's a success. I'll be making them again. Mmm.